Carpentry is a skilled trade that has been around for thousands of years. It involves cutting, shaping, and installing wood to create structures and objects. Let's explore the fascinating world of carpentry and learn some interesting fun facts along the way. Carpentry has a rich history dating back to ancient civilizations. The Egyptians used wooden tools and structures in their everyday lives, and the Romans were known for their advanced woodworking techniques, building everything from furniture to ships. In the Middle Ages, carpenters were highly respected craftsmen who played a crucial role in building castles, cathedrals, and homes. One of the most basic but essential tools in carpentry is the hammer. While hammers have evolved over time, their basic function remains the same. They are used to drive nails into wood and to remove nails when needed. Another essential tool is the saw, which comes in various types such as hand saws, circular saws, and jigsaws, each designed for specific cutting tasks. Modern carpenters also use power tools like drills, sanders, and routers to enhance their efficiency and precision. Now, here's a fun fact. The oldest known wooden structure is a well in Germany, built over 7,000 years ago. This ancient structure shows the durability and longevity of wood when properly used and maintained. Carpenters use a variety of joints to connect pieces of wood, each serving a different purpose. Some common joints include the butt joint, dovetail joint, and mortise and tenon joint. The dovetail joint, known for its strength and resistance to being pulled apart, is often used in drawer construction. The mortise and tenon joint, which has been used for thousands of years, is prized for its simplicity and strength, commonly seen in furniture and timber frame construction. Carpentry isn't just about construction, it's also an art form. Woodworkers create beautiful pieces of furniture, intricate carvings, and stunning architectural details. Famous carpenters like Thomas Chippendale and Gustav Stickley are known for their contributions to furniture design and craftsmanship. Chippendale's furniture, characterized by elegant curves and intricate carvings, is still highly prized today. Stickley's mission-style furniture, with its simple lines and sturdy construction, remains a popular style. Another interesting fact is that the wooden frame of a house, known as the skeleton, is primarily built by carpenters. This framework includes the floors, walls, and roof, providing the structure and support for the entire building. Modern carpenters also work with materials like plywood, particle board, and MDF, in addition to solid wood. These materials offer versatility and are often used in cabinetry and interior finishing. Carpentry requires a blend of physical skill, precision, and creativity. Carpenters must be able to read blueprints and understand building codes, as well as measure and cut materials accurately. They also need to have a good eye for detail and a steady hand. Many carpenters specialize in different areas, such as rough carpentry, which involves framing buildings, or finish carpentry, which focuses on fine details like molding and trim. And here's another fun fact. The world's largest wooden structure is the Kizy Pogost in Russia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This impressive structure includes 2 large wooden churches and a bell tower, all built without a single nail. The interlocking wooden joints used in its construction have held it together for centuries. Safety is a crucial aspect of carpentry. Carpenters must wear protective gear such as safety glasses, gloves, and ear protection to prevent injuries. They also need to be aware of their surroundings and use tools properly to avoid accidents. Proper training and adherence to safety guidelines are essential to prevent accidents on the job site. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in carpentry. Many carpenters are now using reclaimed wood and sustainable materials to reduce waste and protect the environment. This practice not only conserves resources, but also adds character and history to their projects. Bamboo, for example, is a rapidly renewable resource that is being used more frequently in woodworking for its strength and eco-friendliness. In addition to traditional carpentry, technological advancements are shaping the future of the trade. Computer-aided design, CAD software, allows carpenters to create precise plans and visualize their projects before they even begin. CNC, computer numerical control, machines can cut and shape wood with incredible accuracy, revolutionizing the way complex designs are executed. Carpentry also plays a significant role in cultural heritage and restoration. Skilled carpenters are essential in preserving historic buildings and restoring them to their former glory. This work requires a deep understanding of traditional techniques and materials, as well as a commitment to maintaining the integrity of historical structures. Whether you're building a bookshelf, crafting a piece of furniture, or constructing a house, carpentry is a valuable skill that combines functionality with artistry. It requires dedication, practice, and a passion for working with your hands. Many people find carpentry to be a rewarding hobby, enjoying the satisfaction of creating something tangible and lasting. In conclusion, carpentry is a timeless craft that continues to evolve with new techniques and materials. It plays a vital role in our daily lives, shaping the spaces we live and work in. Next time you admire a beautifully crafted piece of woodwork, remember the skill and effort that went into creating it. From ancient structures to modern masterpieces, carpentry is a craft that has stood the test of time and continues to inspire and innovate.